display. 5.8-inch QHD plus Super AMOLED 18.5:9 Infinity display. Same as the Galaxy S8. There are no surprises when it comes to the display on the Samsung Galaxy S9, as it's exactly the same as the screen on the S8. That means you get a 5.8-inch QHD Plus offering with Samsung's eye-popping Super AMOLED panel and the taller 18.5:9 aspect ratio, which is increasingly becoming the norm for flagships after appearing on a handful of phones last year. It still features the Infinity display too, ensuring that 90% of the front of the phone is screen, leaving even less bezel than on its predecessor for an excellent viewing experience. The curved edges of the screen provide a futuristic finish, and it's a great display for watching movies and playing games. Samsung has made it easier to use the Galaxy S9 in landscape mode as well, with the whole UI, user interface, now rotating to fit the widescreen layout, reducing the frequency you need to rotate the phone between portrait and landscape.